Hey, why it is beeping? Did you close the doors? Yeah, it stopped. Oh no, why again it is beeping? Dad, just wear seat belt as I did. Okay, I will wear seat belt. Yeah, it stopped. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about cluster warning indicators. Friends, don't get bored. This is so important while driving the car. This symbol indicates front fog light indicator. Means there is an indicator light on your dashboard to let you know when the fog lights are illuminated. Some vehicles have rear fog lights, in which case there are two lights on the dash, one for each direction. This symbol indicates power steering warning light indicator. Means a steering wheel and exclamation point indicates that your vehicle's power, steering fluid levels are low or that there is a fault in the system. The steering wheel looks slightly different depending on the model of car or truck. And this symbol indicates for rear fog light indicator. The symbol indicates washer fluid low indicator. This warning light indicates that the level of windshield washer fluid is low and should be added to windshield washer fluid tank as soon as possible. This symbol indicates for brake pad warning indicator. In many cases, a brake warning indicator light is a sign of a low brake fluid level, which typically due to worn brake pads. Some newer cars are equipped with a sensor at the pad which will cause the light to come on when the brakes are worn. And the symbol indicates for cruise control on indicator. This indicator glows when we on the cruise control. And this symbol indicates that we know, that is direction indicators. This symbol indicates for rain and light sensor indicator. Means it is responsible for automatic windscreen wipers and protecting the internal systems from the rain. It works by bouncing an LED light off the windscreen, which becomes distorted by water on the surface. The light sensors work in a similar way, detecting the amount of light coming through the windscreen. This symbol indicates for winter mode indicator. Means when you press the button to engage the winter mode, the indicator light on dash will illuminate to show it is currently active. With the winter mode activated, your car will start moving in second or even third gear so that your tire don't spin and don't slip. This symbol indicates information indicator. It will illuminate when a new message is stored in the information display. It will be red or amber in color depending on the severity of the message and will remain on until the cause of the message has been rectified. This symbol indicates for diesel preheat warning indicator. It means that your engine is in the process of warming up and you will be able to start your car or truck momentarily. The symbol indicates Frost warning indicator means when the outside air passing over the sensor reaches a certain temperature, the computer turns on the warning indicator on the dashboard and warns the driver of potential frost on the road. This symbol indicates ignition switch warning indicator. Means depending on the vehicle, this warning light could mean a few things. It could indicate an issue with the ignition switch or show that there is a problem with key being used. An issue with the ignition switch is usually mechanical and it would prevent the key from turning. This symbol indicates that key not in vehicle indicator. The key not in vehicle warning light tells you when your key is not detected in your car, so you don't drive off without it. It can be red or orange in color. This symbol indicates for key fob battery low indicator. The key fob battery low warning light means when the key is in use, the computer monitors the output voltage of the fob's battery. Once the voltage gets to a certain point, the warning light will illuminate on the dash to let you know how to replace the batteries. So make sure that you use the correct type of battery. This symbol indicates for distance warning indicator. When the light is illuminated, it indicates that the computer has detected an object in the road ahead of you that is approaching quickly. This may not always be a car, it could be a large object in the road. This symbol indicates for press clutch pedal indicator. And this symbol indicates press brake pedal indicator. Press clutch pedal or press brake pedal warning light means for manual transmissions, the press clutch pedal light is just a reminder that the clutch needs to pressed in before the engine can be started. Once the clutch pedal is depressed, the light should go off. The symbol indicates for steering lock warning indicator. Steering lock warning light means it should not take too much force to get the key to turn and unlock the steering wheel. The steering lock indicator light should only come on when the ignition is in the off position and lock is engaged. The symbol indicates for main beam headlights indicator. Main beam headlights having another name, that is high beam headlights. High beam dashboard light is usually blue with the parallel horizontal lines. While these lights provide better visibility at night, but they are not to be used whenever other cars are around. The high beam indicator light will illuminate on the dashboard when we on it. The symbol indicates for tire pressure low indicator. The tire pressure low indicator is to alert you when tire pressure is too low and could create unsafe driving conditions. If the light is illuminated, it means your tires could be underinflated, which can lead to undue tire wear and possible tire failure. This symbol indicates for silent information indicator. Silent indicator light will turn on when the normal lights headlights are in use. This symbol indicates for exterior light fault indicator. This indicator light means any exterior light on your car is not working. This symbol indicates for brake lights warning indicator. Means when the soot level reaches a certain threshold, usually around 45%, the engine will actively try to reduce the levels. If the engine is not able to burn the soot due to a short trip, the computer will then turn on the filter warning light to warn the driver that the soot level is building up. This symbol indicates for diesel particulate filter warning indicator. A brake warning light indicates Low brake fluid, which is often a result of worn brake pads. A mechanic can check the brake fluid reservoir to see if the fluid needs to be topped off or if it is a case of worn brake pads. This symbol indicates a suspension warning indicator. Means the car's computer will turn on the air suspension warning light if it detects any abnormal activity. Typically, this will occur if the compressor is not providing as much air as it should or if there is a leak in one of the bags. The symbol indicates for trailer tow hitch warning indicator. Means depending on the kind of the car, this light could indicate that the tow hitch is unlocked or that there is an issue with the lighting system. Some vehicles may also have an indicator to show that there is an additional load on the lighting circuit. The symbol indicates for lane departure warning indicator. Means a lane departure warning system is a mechanism designed to warn the driver when the vehicle begins to move out of its lane on freeways and arterial roads. The symbol indicates for catalytic convert warning indicator. Means this light is made to warn the driver that the catalytic converter is either overheating or not operating as intended. The inside of the catalytic converter consists of honeycomb designs that increasing the surface area in contact with the air. Coming to most common indicator, that is seatbelt not on warning indicator. Means inside the driver's seatbelt buckle is a switch that activates when the seatbelt is fastened and unfastened. The car's computer monitors the switch and can tell when the driver has not clicked his or her seatbelt. The symbol indicates for parking brake light warning indicator. Means this light is the parking brake warning light. It illuminates to show that the parking brake or emergency brake is engaged and must be released before driving. If it remains lit after the parking brake is released or if it turns on and off intermittently while you are driving, it means you need to add brake fluid. This symbol indicates for battery. If the battery warning light comes on the dashboard while you are driving, that means the charging system is not working, but the fault may lie in something other than the battery. The alternator generates the power that is stored in the battery. Friends, remaining indicators I will explain in next video as part 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like my content, please like it and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notifications of my uploads.